This is a 2009, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. We just removed the factory rear muffler, did what we call a axle back split dual exhaust system, ran it out to some nice 4-inch rolled tips. Customer just wants a little rumble to it, so we left all the factory resonator in it. The factory catalytic converters are there, of course. Pretty clean car for 2009, looks brand new under here. Seeing how this is 2024 already. Let's see what it sounds like. I definitely woke it up a little bit. Got a little rumble to it. That ought to make the customer happy. Maybe not his neighbor.